Hi guys, this is Ranish Malan from PixCompose. Today I have brought a topic which is very interesting to me, how to composite and blend two images in the Photoshop 2020. So let's get started. Here you can see I have applied a tattoo on her back. So we will practice this exercise here. All the links to these files, you can find them in the description. Please download the images from there and follow along with us. So here is our image, you can see that here. So firstly what I will do, I will bring the tattoo layer. So here we have it, bring it in the Photoshop. So increase the size. Friends, I have got these designs from the free pick, you can see that here. So here what I will do, I will change the blending mode to the multiply so that we can see behind. So this is the first step of the compositing. So now with the lasso tool, make a selection which is going to be the rough selection around the tattoo which we want to apply among the four. Like I am going with this tattoo. Now with the layer selected, click on the layer mask. We have the layer mask. So change the position of this tattoo on her back. So at this time I am going to press the Ctrl 1 to zoom into the 100% of this document. So this was the first step of the compositing. So here what I will do, I will bring it down like this, and now I will subtract this area from the selection. So for that, turn off the layer, and with the polygonal lasso tool or with the simple lasso tool, I am going to make the selection. I am making the rough selection, but you can refine it more. So here we have it. So at this time I am going to fill the black color in the selection, and I have selected the layer mask. Press Ctrl backspace as the black color is the background color. Great. Now at this time what I will do, I will increase the feather. This will soften the edge around this. We can also improve the selection with the brush tool. I have selected the soft brush now. So with the black color in the foreground, I am going to paint in the layer mask like this. So here I forgot to increase the opacity to 100% and flow to 100%. Now paint here like this. Now at this time rasterize the layer. So layer is rasterized now. Press Ctrl T. Great. Right click here and select wrap. With the wrap option selected, go to the grid. Here you can find default. Change it to the 5x5. You can see we have lot more control here now. Like this. So I think we have applied it properly. So now at this time what I will do, I will double click here. So now we have the layer styles. Here you can find underlying layer. Hold the Alt key and start dragging this slider to the right. This will blend the tattoo to the darker areas of this image. Now hold the Alt key again and now drag the right slider towards the left. You can see we are blending the tattoo on the lighter edge. Now hit OK. Here what I will do, select the layer mask with the brush tool selected. Increase the size of this brush tool like this. Decrease the opacity and the flow. Now start painting here on the highlighted areas like this. So great, we are having a very good result so far. Now what I will do, I will blur the tattoo little bit with the Gaussian blur with the 1 pixel or 2 like this. So this is looking good. Now to composite it properly, I will find the average color in this image. For that, go to the filter and blur. Here you can find the average. Click on average. So this is the tint on this image. So we have to apply the same tint on this. So let's choose screen here. Now turn on the clipping mask so that it can apply it on here only. So now reduce the opacity to reduce the effect of this layer like this. Now at this time the tattoo is looking very dull. For that I am going to use the curves adjustment with the clipping mask. Here increase some shadows, and also I am going to increase some highlights here like this. So now you can see how perfectly we have composited this here. So I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and do press the bell icon. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.